All right, it's morning. We are locked and loaded, ready to head to Manta and go crash some cars. Check that out. Only 2 of them this time. Somebody used theirs up too much over there, and it's not gonna make another one.
What in the world?
It's gonna be a busy weekend. We are going to crash cars tonight, and then we're gonna turn and burn, come back, unload everything, load race cars up, and go racing in Junction. So we'll take you guys along for the ride and see how this all pans out. Who knows, but it'll be fun. Sorry about the music. There's a concert going on right behind me, but we made it to the Derby. Got the cars here. Landon and Jace, they're over at the driver's meeting currently, trying to figure out what heat they're in, drawing all that stuff. Michelle's about to be here. They're here. So we'll get all ready to go. We'll crash some cars and have a good time and take you guys along. So I hope you enjoy this. It's gonna be fun. All right, Jace made it back from the driver's meeting. We'll see what he can tell us. All right, Bubba, what you got?
So the news is there's 2 heats of stocks, and I'm in the second heat. Me and Landon are in the second heat. So
good deal.
I don't know how many cars are going to be in there, but it should be fun.
Doesn't matter how many there are. It matters how many are at the
Left.
end. That's
Yes.
it.
That is it.
Getting cameras all put in
We're getting them dialed.
for your viewing pleasure. So these boys will tear it up tonight for you. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. Starting to get real. We're about there. Cars are lined up. They're going to bring the first heat in. These boys drew second heat, so they'll be going in with that. I'll take you through getting them all strapped up and ready to go in their heat when it's time. Alrighty, it's starting to crunch time. Boys are suiting up, they're climbing in. We topped all the fluids off. Everything's good. What do you got cans in here for?
I had for the water.
Oh, just fire it up, they'll blow out.
Will it?
Yeah. Alright, what's your game plan, Lan?
Hopefully to win this car.
Yeah? You gonna go try to win? What you gonna do?
I want to try to win.
Go try to win, and then if you have a car left at the end, then hold it down and junk it.
Alright.
Alright? You hear that?
What?
Go try to win. Have some car left for the end that you can junk some stuff with. I mean, don't turn out of a good hit, but this arena's fast, so know that.
Noted.
There you go, buddy. Good luck, buddy. Tear it up. Letting that thing eat. We'll see how they do. I'm excited. It's gonna be fun.
X64 given by Yankum Tom.
All right, Greg. What are we expecting out of these boys?
Hopefully they all do good.
I think they're just gonna go in and drive hard. If they'll go drive hard, they're gonna do just fine. A little nervous for them, actually. Some good cars in this heat. We'll see how they do here. I think they'll be fine. Matt, Rhett, Carter, I believe, are in this heat. Jason Landon, we got Brad Bowman. There's some good cars in this heat. circling. Here we go. I'm gonna watch. I'll give you some commentary in a little, but we're gonna watch.
All right, 5, 4, 3,
That was Carter, I think. Yeah, all right. Jace is wounded pretty bad, but he's still running, so we'll see how he goes. Andy still looks good. Jace laid down a monster hit on somebody.
It's okay!
Landon's still moving. He's got a good car. Wedge down in, he can't get out of there.
Over 3 remaining.
Gosh, dang it! Well, I wasn't expecting that.
Party crowd, there's it.
I lost steering and
Get a
couldn't
little
do
bit of shot
anything.
of fumes there. Easy.
Gosh, dang it!
All right, I believe 5th place for Jace, 4th place for Landon. So, good show. Landon's car still runs, but won't get out of the way, so good times.
Dawson, you are out. Hubbard, you are out. That is a heat.
Hey, that's right. Give it up for that crew.
Drivers only in the pit.
Landon! Why do you just hit him? He was out! If he's out, just go through him! You gotta just hit him and kept going!
Here's how it stands. It's going to be Scott Hubbard winning the heat.
Gosh, dang it! My friend did a backflip. It's like over. Holy crap! Well, boys, there's another one. I think the car's done. She's oh yeah, she's a little used up. Just a little though. Landon's car, not bad.
And the mascot dog award goes to Jace Cox.
Look at that. Hey, when a car's out, they're part of the arena. Bonsai it. Push it as hard as you can go.
I lost steering.
Oh, you lost everything. You hit that guy at like 70 over there. That black car over there.
He was following me, and I got him at the wrong time.
That was good, buddy. Good drive. That was fun to watch. How's the hoop?
Dude, my frame is bent like this, all the way under.
Yeah, the berms are really hard when you hit someone against those. Some's got to move. Oh yeah, that was good.
The back's where I want it now.
Here's you guys. You guys laid it down. Oh yeah, look at that. I love it. I freaking love it. That's awesome.
Yeah, that was the first hit. It bit into the tire and I had no steering.
Yeah.
So I was just
That
going
was good.
backwards and
You
forwards.
did good. Good job. You're a little nervous
Oh
though.
my gosh.
Look, I'm shaking, holding the camera. I won't rip it off. That was good.
So hard.
That was good. You guys did good. Yeah, that's some bent cars. Okay. Brad, you gotta quit winning.
I didn't win. I took third.
My heat was fun to watch.
It was fun.
Thanks for putting on the show.
Yeah, we got it.
But he hit somebody and I seen underneath of his car and I was like, oh.
Well, I think he was coming to save you to get you
I
off
know.
the
Here we go.
I didn't
There's
move
the
after
next
that.
First.
I moved from
Yeah,
there and back,
there you
but
go, buddy. Lean
I was
over
stuck.
and smooch her.
Yeah, you did. That's awesome. How was that?
that was the funnest time I've ever had.
When Jace was stuck, were you trying to like save him?
No, I was
Because you were rolling
I was getting my revenge on that
Gotta get this guy.
T-bird.
What?
I was getting my revenge on the T-bird. He was chasing me down, hitting me, and I got him in the wrong time at the right place.
What was that? Is that better than Nephi?
A little. It wasn't terrible.
vacation wagon's gone.
Where's your net?
How was that, dude?
That was pretty sick.
All right, it's a good night. We're forklifting both of these things on the trailer.
What's currently going down? You're giving him a part so he
Yeah,
can
the
run?
drive line, so we can run tomorrow in Minersville, right? Minersville? Beaver.
All right, that's exactly how we were supposed to leave tonight, with both of them getting forklifted on. It was a good night.
And I won a trophy.
And some money.
Yeah.
Landon wants some money.
Landon got fourth. Where's Landon at?
So,
He's the fourth king, dude.
I don't know, he's somewhere around.
Oh.
Get these things strapped down. All right, that's a wrap for us. We got bent cars. We're going home. Drag racing tomorrow. So, get Jace some ibuprofen, get Landon a few ibuprofens. They're gonna be sore tomorrow. So, see if we can back this truck out of here and get on the road. That's pretty much a wrap on the Derby. You guys have fun?
Oh, I had a lot of fun. It was a good time.
These guys tore it up. It was actually super fun to watch these guys go out and tear it up and drive hard and watch these cars perform. Motors ran good, cars did everything we wanted them to. They took some abuse. They dished out a lot of abuse. Derbying's a good time. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as we did. And
We'll be back next year.
we'll see what we can get put together for next year. So thanks for watching.